Teaching kids opinion writing using a hamburger template. With this template, children will start to understand the organization of opinion writing. It will have an opinion statement, then there will be reasons, and then a closing statement which reinforces the opinion statement. Before we start our activity, I just wanted to clarify that opinion writing and persuasive writing are often confused. Opinion writing is introduced first in the earlier years. It is when the writer takes a stand on a topic. And persuasive writing is when the writer tries to convince the reader to agree with his or her stand. In our first activity, kids are asked, which is best, a hamburger or a hot dog? When I introduce opinion writing to kids, I begin with a brainstorming activity. I guide them through the organization of an opinion piece, determining an opinion statement, reasons for the opinion, and a closing statement. For kids to make a choice between hamburgers and hot dogs, we do a brainstorming activity before we begin. This one will be for hamburgers, and we will also do one for hot dogs. Since this is a new writing genre, opinion writing for kids, I try to direct the brainstorming so that they can see and understand the organization of an opinion statement with the reasons or the evidence of why they like either the hamburger or the hot dogs better. So again, as I said, we're going to begin with hamburgers. So I'm going to direct them to this beginning sentence, this beginning opinion sentence. I like hamburgers better than hot dogs because. Now I wanted to direct them away from just taste because usually kids like both hamburgers and hot dogs. So we wanted to look at what is better about hamburgers, not actually talking about the taste, but its characteristics. So some kids did start off by saying, well, I like to order different types. And so we did a brainstorming list of the types, and we came up with regular, chili, mushroom, bacon, Santa Fe, smokehouse, teriyaki, and veggie. Then we kind of took a vote, and the most popular were regular, mushroom, Santa Fe, and smokehouse. That doesn't mean that kids can't write about the others, but when we make our class example, those are the ones that we are going to use. Then I kind of guided them to what else can you change about a hamburger, or what do you like? How do you like your hamburger to be? And so then they said, one kid said, I want a double-double, and then another said, well, we mostly have regular, and then other kids talked about a big bite, and then some like sliders. Dipping sauces came up. I guess that's a new thing, to dip your hamburger in sauces. So our list has spicy buffalo, sweet and sour, hot mustard, and ranch. And then the discussion turned to the types of buns. Most kids preferred the burger buns, just your regular hamburger buns. Some kids said French bread, whole wheat, that was just one. And then we had slider buns if you order the sliders, then sesame seed. So I wanted then to direct them back to the opinion statement. So what do all of these have in common? And we decided they were all choices, and they were more choices than they have when eating a hot dog. So we created the sentence, I like hamburgers better than hot dogs because there are more choices. So then we completed, there are more choices. And then we have our opinion statement. I like hamburgers better than hot dogs because there are more choices. And then our reasons would be types of burgers, different sizes, dipping sauces, and types of buns. Next in the classroom, I also do a brainstorming activity for those who think that a hot dog is better. And for this one time, we'll change the hamburger template to a hot dog template. This is a template to use to brainstorm the reasons that hot dogs are better than hamburgers. When we finished the brainstorming activity for the hot dogs, we came up with you can eat them with one hand, the top and bottom buns are connected, the fillings fit nicely in the bun with the hot dog, and each bite can easily fit into your mouth. So our opinion statement became, I like hot dogs better than hamburgers because they are easier to eat. Now, using our reasons and our opinion statement created during our brainstorming lessons, we're going to start building an opinion paragraph one reason at a time for both our hamburger and our hot dog. In developing our hamburger and hot dog opinion writing pieces, we will begin with a developing piece. It will include the opinion statement, one reason, and a closing statement for the hamburger piece and the hot dog piece. So the opinion statement for the hamburger piece is, I think hamburgers are better than hot dogs because there are more choices. The first reason is types of burgers range from regular to mushroom, Santa Fe to smokehouse, and many more. And the closing statement is, the choices are why I think hamburgers are better than hot dogs. And then when we switch over to our hot dog opinion writing piece, the opinion statement is, I think hot dogs are better than hamburgers because they are easier to eat. The reason is you can hold a hot dog in one hand, and the closing statement is, hot dogs are easier to eat, and that is why I think they are better than hamburgers. This is the template kids will use for the developing piece, and they will only write one. They will decide what their opinion is, and they will either choose hamburgers or hot dogs. This is a completed example, and remember that kids will only write the one that is their opinion. They don't write both. They either write the hamburger developing opinion writing or the hot dog developing opinion writing piece. Now this would be day 2 where we review the developing piece of writing and move into writing a piece with 2 reasons. This is a template that kids will use to write the 2 reasons, and this is a completed example. This would be day 3. We would begin by reviewing our opinion writing with 2 reasons and then move into our opinion writing with 3 reasons. This is the template for kids to complete for 3 reasons, and this is a completed example. And now on day 4, we would follow the same pattern and with kids review the previous day of writing with 3
reasons. And then move on to our final writing piece with 4 reasons. This is the template that kids will use for the final piece of writing. And this is an example.
When kids are done with their writing, their opinion piece, we make a booklet. And this will be the cover for the booklets. This one is for kids who thought hamburgers were better, and this one is for kids who thought hot dogs were better. And the templates to make the hamburger and the hot dog will be listed in the description section. These little booklets are great for kids to refer back to when they're creating other opinion statements. So when you first open it, you're going to see the very first writing piece that the kids did. And this one is the one with only one reason. It was our developing writing piece. Then on the next day, the kids wrote a piece with 2 reasons. And we'll flip this one and we'll see for the hot dog, we had 2 reasons. Then our next day is when we added another reason, bringing it to 3 reasons. 1, 2, 3. And we'll look at this one. 1, 2, 3. And then we come to our completed writing piece, building our writing piece to have 4 reasons. So we have our opinion statement, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, reason 4, and our closing statement that basically restates what the opinion statement is. So that's a nice way for kids to end their first opinion writing piece and have a reference for later ones.
These are the templates for the hamburger booklet and the hot dog booklet. Another great question to ask kids when teaching opinion writing is, which animals make the best pets, dogs or cats? A brainstorming activity. Dogs make better pets than cats because they are good friends. They are always happy to see you. They are loyal. They love to cuddle. And they are playful. Or the other opinion, cats make better pets than dogs because they are easier to take care of. They are neat. They are quiet. They don't need to be walked. And they calmly purr when happy. And these were the templates that were just shown. And these are the templates for opinion writing of different topics. And we'll end with 2 more questions that are great to ask kids when teaching opinion writing. The first one is, which do you dislike the most? Taking out the garbage or filling the dishwasher? And the second one is, which sport is more fun to watch, baseball or basketball? If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And as always, the link for all the templates will be listed in the description section.